Morning, everyone. It's Mrs. Holbrook and Baby Echo. Let's talk about syllables for a moment here. Holbrook is my last name. How many syllables are in it? Holbrook. 2. That's right. Very good. How about Baby Echo? Baby Echo. How many in Baby Echo's whole name? Baby Echo. 4 syllables. Good for you. That's awesome. All right, let's get the best warm-up going on ever. Repeat after Echo and tell us what letters make these sounds. J, J, K, C, K, and CK. Qu, QU, V, V, good. Y, Y, X, Sh, SH, ONG, ONG, ANK, ANK. Awesome, you guys are on a roll. Let's see if you can do it with these R controls. OR, OR, R, AR, awesome. ERIRUR, they all say Good for you if you remembered that. Okay, my friends, now today we are focusing on the suffix S that says S, and we are going to read some words that have suffix S on them. But before we do that, I have a new trick word for you. The word is being, like my sister's being very annoying. I'll read this sentence and see if you can find the word being. Say it with me. Being. She is being very nice to me. Can you find it and circle it on the screen in the air? Yeah, there it is. You found it. There it is bigger. What do you notice about this word? It's got a base word and a suffix. B is the base word. What kind of syllable is B? Open. If you were to cover up the ing, let's put some space here. There's nothing after the E to close it in, so the E says its name. Good, and what's our suffix? Ing. Who can give me a sentence with being? Oh, what are you being for Halloween? I am being a witch. Nice job. Let's skywrite it. 2 fingers. Picture it in the air. B-E-I-N-G. Being. Okay, on the table. B-E-I-N-G. Being. Excellent job. And now, as promised, on to those multi-syllabic words with a suffix S. Okay, what do you notice about this word? There's 3 different colors. Let's try the first color, the first syllable. Rep, rep. Second syllable. I see an E at the end of it, so I know the I will be long. Tile, tile. Put it together. Reptile, reptile. Add the suffix. Reptiles. Do you have any reptiles in your house? Ooh. Okay, try this one on your own. First syllable. Second syllable. Word. Add the suffix. Did you just say cupcakes? I love cupcakes. Great job. First syllable. Second syllable. Word. Add the suffix. Inhales. Inhale. Nice job reading those words. We have one more for you to try. First syllable. Ath. Second syllable. Leet. Base word. Athlete. Add the suffix ending. Athletes. What does that mean? More than one athlete. That's right. People who play sports are athletes. Nice job. Now we're going to get ready to write a couple of these words with suffix S in a sentence. So get your materials and get ready to go. Here we go, my friends. Repeat after me. Baseballs. What's the base word? Baseball. First syllable, base. Start with base, then write ball. Pause it here, and then you can check it with mine. Okay, here's our second word. Excuses. What's the base word? Excuse. Syllables, excuse. Pause it and get to work. We'll do 2 more words and then we'll check them. Pile-ups. Base word, pile up. Syllables, pile up. Pause here and write it. And your last word, mistakes. Base word, mistake. Syllables, miss, take. Okay, take your time, check these over, and then I'll show you mine and we'll mark them together. Okay, my friends, let's mark them and check them. First, can you please put a box around your glued sound? You should have one. Here it is. Okay. And can we mark the base word and suffix in all of them? Baseball is the base word, suffix S, baseballs. Excuse, suffix S, excuses. Pile up, suffix S, pile-ups. And mistake, suffix S, mistakes. Awesome. And let's go ahead and mark the different types of syllables. We had baseball. So these ones are both closed, aren't they? Wait a second, base isn't closed. It's vowel consonant E. Look at that. That A is long. So we got to put our hat over it, our macron, and cross off that E. It's silent. How about excuse? X, the E is closed in, so that's a short E. Make it like a smile. And then cuse, it's got a U, S, E. It's vowel, consonant, E. Cross off that E and make the U short, long. Make the U long. Okay, 2 more words. Pile up. Vowel, consonant, E. I know it's a little hard to read. I've got a lot going on here. And closed in. Long, short. And mistake. Mistake. Closed, vowel, consonant, E. So all of these words had one vowel, consonant, E and one closed. Interesting. Okay, last part of work for today. It is a dictation sentence. Repeat after me. The bush has many rosebuds. The bush has many rosebuds. Pause it here and then check with mine. Okay, please check. Did you start with an uppercase and end with a period? Good. Did you have a digraph, SH, for bush? Are your trick words right? The, has, many. And then for your 2-syllable word with a suffix, rose, bud, rosebuds. Great, let's scoop it and read it smoothly. Pick your color to scoop it. The bush has many rosebuds. The bush has many rosebuds. The bush has many rosebuds. Read it all until it sounds nice and smooth for you. Okay, guys, great job. Keep up the awesome work.